Dr. J. You're going to be hearing from Mr. Topstep in a second. Mr. Topstep is called Topstep because the very top ring of that pit, that's where the biggest traders stand. You want to know what they're doing, you got to watch Mr. Topstep.
From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley in the S&P 500. We've got a lot of stuff to talk about today, not necessarily one thing, but a lot of different things. First, we're going to go back to yesterday's trade when the market started to sell off. We got up toward Tuesday's 99 even high. We got up to 98 half. The market pulled back a little, and then some headlines came out about Wells Fargo. The big headline came out a couple minutes later when the stock was downgraded and the S&P fell apart. What we've heard is that there was $5 billion of notional S&P minis to sell on stops, which accelerated the sell side on the way down. There was two separate orders in here, which were equivalent of 20,000 minis that knocked the S&P literally down 15 handles in 10 minutes. After the market got down, the old low was 73 even, and then this morning when we came in, the low in Globex was 72 even, and this morning's low is 70 and a half. That's 1070 and a half. We're not in the mode to think that the market's just going to come off and sell off into a big sell-off crash, etc. It's not going to do that. It's going to be a process of going up and down. When the market got down to the lows today, we went out on our IM. We told people we thought they'd bounce. The market's basically gone back up to 79 and held around that area. We're not really sure about what's going to happen here in the afternoon. The markets feel a little firm. The bonds have sold off a little, and the stocks seem a little bit. As far as the rest of the afternoon goes, we kind of think the 82 to 85 level may be our resistance, but later in the week, if not tomorrow, going into next week, we expect the S&P to be back up toward its highs, maybe even above 1100. We're just not in that mode to think that we're into the crash mode. The other thing that the guys at Option Monster wanted me to promote is a new movie that's going to be put out in Texas this weekend that it's all about traders. We've seen a little bit of the clips. We know some of these guys, they're real live traders that were down here that were kind of eliminated once electronic trading came in. You know, that's the difference between what's going on in the world today. Everybody thinks electronic trading knocked everybody out of the box. We don't agree with that at all. The pit's still here. The rest of the floor is still here. All the pits are full. We're just waiting for some more action. We'll be back from Mr. Topstep tomorrow.